Have you ever wondered how to draw closer to Allah in the quietest hours of the night? Tahajjud is a powerful prayer that transforms hearts, brings peace, and opens doors to divine mercy. In this short but profound time, you can seek forgiveness, guidance, and strength directly from your Creator. Today, we will guide you step by step on how to pray Tahajjud correctly, the best timing, the method, and the most powerful dua to make your night prayers truly impactful. The importance of Tahajjud lies in its intimate timing and sincerity. It is a prayer offered when most people are asleep, creating a moment of deep connection between the servant and the Creator. In these quiet hours, distractions fade, and the heart becomes more present, and humble scholars describe Tahajjud as a secret worship that reflects true devotion, because no one witnesses it except Allah. Many believers find that this prayer softens the heart, strengthens faith, and opens the door to spiritual clarity. Its value increases because it shows a person's willingness to rise from comfort purely for the sake of Allah. The timing of Tahajjud is unique because it begins only after a person has slept for a part of the night. This short rest creates a clear distinction between regular night prayers and the special status of Tahajjud. It continues until just before the Fajr prayer enters. Many scholars mention that the last third of the night is the most blessed portion, as it carries a deeper spiritual calm and focus. During these peaceful hours, the mind slows down, the heart becomes more attentive, and the believer can stand before Allah with greater concentration. This timing enhances sincerity and strengthens the impact of the prayer. The number of rak'ahs for Tahajjud is flexible, making it accessible for every believer regardless of their routine or strength. The minimum is simply 2 rak'ahs, and a person may add more according to their ability and energy. This openness reflects the mercy of Allah, allowing the prayer to remain a source of ease rather than burden. Each pair of rak'ahs offers another chance to seek guidance and closeness. Because there is no fixed limit, individuals can adjust their worship according to their personal needs. This simplicity encourages consistency and helps believers gradually build a stronger night prayer habit over time. When standing for Tahajjud, the focus should begin with calming the mind and entering the prayer with presence. Recite whatever portions of the Quran you are comfortable with, allowing the words to settle the heart. Each movement should be performed gently, without rushing, so the body aligns with the intention of worship. In sujood, lower yourself with sincerity, letting this posture reflect your need for Allah. Use the stillness to center your thoughts and maintain awareness of whom you are standing before. This deliberate approach deepens the spiritual quality of the prayer and strengthens the connection created during the night-long and heartfelt du'as in sujood are a defining aspect of Tahajjud because this position reflects complete humility. When a person places their forehead on the ground, their heart becomes more open and honest. In this moment, speak to Allah with sincerity, expressing your hopes, fears, and needs without formality. Let your words flow naturally, because nothing is hidden from Him. This depth of supplication strengthens trust and dependence on Allah. The quiet night helps you focus deeply on what you truly want to ask for, allowing your dua to come from a place of clarity and genuine faith. The encouragement of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ toward praying Tahajjud shows its deep spiritual value. He consistently practiced it throughout his life, demonstrating its importance through his own actions. His guidance emphasized that night prayer brings a special nearness to Allah and nurtures sincerity in the heart. He taught that those who rise in the quiet hours to worship are granted strength, clarity, and blessings that extend into their daily lives. His words and example inspire believers to seek this private connection with their Lord. By following his encouragement, a person develops discipline and a stronger sense of devotion. A suggested dua after tahajjud helps shape a believer's inner state and directs the heart toward what truly matters. When raising your hands, begin by acknowledging your need for Allah's help. Ask Him to guide your heart to what is right, to remove confusion, and to fill your life with clarity and wisdom. Seek forgiveness for mistakes you remember and those you may have forgotten, trusting that His mercy is far greater than your shortcomings. End by asking Allah to open doors of ease, protect you from harm, and bless your efforts. Such a dua strengthens hope and deepens reliance on Him. The spiritual benefits of tahajjud extend far beyond the moments spent in prayer. It brings a calmness that settles the heart and clears the mind from the noise of the day. Many believers notice that worries feel lighter and decisions become easier after consistently praying at night. This prayer nurtures a deeper awareness of Allah's presence, helping a person remain patient and grounded during challenges. It also strengthens discipline, because waking up for tahajjud requires commitment and sincerity. Over time, these blessings shape a person's character, allowing them to move through life with confidence, inner peace, and stronger faith. Praying tahajjud can transform your heart and bring you closer to Allah in ways nothing else can. Start with small steps, remain consistent, and let each night deepen your connection with your Creator. May Allah accept your prayers, forgive your sins, and fill your life with peace and guidance. Share your experience or intention in the comments below and say, "O Allah, make my heart steadfast in your worship." Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Interior Deen for more powerful Islamic reminders.